Hello and welcome to another episode of Measurement in a Minute. I'm your host, Justin Kozak, Technical Sales Specialist with Lakeside Process Controls. And in today's video, we're discussing Rosemount's 2460 System Hub for use in our tank gauging solutions. Now in the last video, we discussed Rosemount's 2410 Tank Hub. If you missed that, I encourage you to check that one out as the system hubs integrate and build off of our tank hub network. In fact, I often call the system hub the tank hub of the tank hubs. If that doesn't make sense to you right now, I promise it will in just a moment. When we look at a tank farm, it becomes immediately obvious that the tanks are not concentrated in one small section of the property. No, in fact, quite the opposite. They are distributed throughout it accordingly. You can imagine the monumental task it would be to have to run wiring, power, communication to each one of these tanks, let alone each one of the devices on these tanks. And that's where the system hub comes into play. We can group different sections of the tank farm and utilize one system hub to further simplify the wiring. And that's why I call it the tank hub of the tank hubs, as we can use one system hub with a series of tanks, tank hubs, or a variety of devices on those vessels. So that's one of the big advantages, is that the system hub does not have to communicate with strictly a Rosemount level gauge. In fact, we can utilize it to emulate a variety of communication protocols and a variety of gauges that may be on your vessel, whether they're obsolete or different technologies. And that's Rosemount's 2460 System Hub. Should you have any questions about this product or any others, please reach out to us at www.lakesidecontrols.com. Thanks for joining.